Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring Blender 3, 5 Plus and a matching Python 3. 10 runtime are ready. This lets scripts run reliably. Once done, pick an AI plugin for your task, geometry, texture, or animation, and enable it in add-ons. Next, load model weights or enter an API key and place them in a dedicated folder so you won't lose track. Make sure to confirm GPU memory limits and switch to a performance mode if available. That prevents crashes when you run the first inference. You now integrate AI into your scene by starting with a clean proxy, low poly meshes, proper UVs, and baked maps when needed. Then configure model settings, resolution, step count, guidance scale, seed, and GPU batch size to balance quality and speed. Run a small test pass on a single object to evaluate artifacts and iterate. Tweak masks, prompt phrasing, or model weights to reduce noise. As you refine, keep a versioned file so you can revert to earlier, working states without losing progress. To finish, apply AI outputs into Blender, hook textures into material nodes, and retopologize or clean generated geometry before smoothing. Once done, optimize for export, decimate where acceptable, bake high-resolution normals, and create LODs. If rendering or exports fail, diagnose quickly. Check GPU drivers and VRAM, reduce batch size, or clear Blender and plug in temp caches. If necessary, fall back to CPU runs to isolate GPU faults. Make sure to save incremental versions so you can recover from a bad AI pass.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.